SIPROTEC 7SX800, your way to retrofit. Replacement of protection devices that work at the limit of their product life. With increasing age, component weaknesses impair the functional reliability of your protection devices. Unpredictable failures are on the rise. In addition to production downtimes, this can also result in a high effort for repeat tests. With suitable retrofitting measures, you prevent this risk. Proven methods, coupled with practical experience, result in a 4-point plan. Actual state of the system, circumference, risk assessment, and finally, the budget for the measure supports you in the decision for retrofit. If you have decided on a retrofit measure with the help of our 4-point plan, our milestones will give you further important clues for the implementation of the project. In our how-to video you can see as an example the individual steps of the retrofitting measure for a protective device.